is this really gonna work? Like remove a waterproof makeup? I don't know. Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning viewer subscriber, then thank you so much for coming back and checking out my videos. I really do appreciate that. First things first, if you're wondering, I'm wearing this hoodie. This one is from my Rose Gal fashion haul. The video is up on my channel if you guys want to check it out. I'm gonna link in the and in the description box below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. This one is so comfortable, honestly. This video is gonna be another review video, but a little bit different from any videos I did before, as I'm gonna be reviewing super high product which is called a face halo. It's just a makeup removing cloth sponge kind of thing. I've seen loads of people raving about it, loads of big YouTubers talking about it, but hence their videos were sponsored, so this one is completely unsponsored. I didn't go and buy this online. I waited till I find this in the shops and I found it in my local booths, actually, surprisingly or not. It's not super expensive, and if it's reusable then it will definitely save money. Don't really know if it will actually work with just water, you know. All my makeup is like all waterproof or set with a setting spray, so it kind of stays longer, so it's harder to remove it, so I doubt that just water could remove all this. Plus I have a lash extension still, like few of the lash extensions, but I already put some mascara on it, so I really don't know how it's gonna work. Like it would rip my lashes off or something, because some of the products you need to be very gentle. If you ever had a lash extensions and you like to apply makeup on, you need to be very gentle by cleaning off your makeup. I usually use just micellar water and a cotton pad and just press it on, and that kind of just cleans it off without any rubbing. So what it says, face halo, the modern makeup remover, so one in a pack, and the other side states the modern makeup remover, non-toxic, reusable, recyclable. And the instructions to use: just add water, remove makeup, wash and reuse. Wash or rinse before use. Looks super easy and fast. The reason I wanted to try this, I need to start from that, I think, is because this is reusable. I mean, thinking of all the pollution that we're causing in this planet, we definitely need more recyclable items, especially in the makeup industry. I'm really happy that companies start looking into that more and investing more money in that. So if this actually is reusable, not only you're gonna save loads of money because you're gonna be reusing the same thing, you're gonna save the planet by doing this. So humongous thumbs up so far. We don't know if it works yet, so bear with me. So I think first things first, we need to open this up to see what we got. Okay, so the bag itself is resealable. That means you can reuse if you say you're traveling, which is already a thumbs up. Too many thumbs up to start with. I really hope it's good. It's white from both sides. I thought one side is gonna be like kind of like a handle. I was imagining in my head it's gonna be like a little puff, you know, for your powder. So you're gonna have like a little handle in here to slip your fingers underneath, because it looks a bit like a puff, like a giant puff, but it's not. It has a little tag saying that you can wash up to 60 degrees. Wow! And it's made in Korea, designed in Australia, made in Korea. You have a little instruction here going on. Yeah, it's nothing. It says exactly the same thing as in here. So I think we just need to get this wet and see if it really works and can remove this makeup. Alright guys, so I got a cup of water in here with me, so we can dip this in and wet it. I really don't know how it's supposed to work, honestly. The water turned white. You know what, I'm gonna clean half face off first. We can see how good or bad it is. Oh, okay. It's happening, guys. It's happening. So it says not to press and not to rub. I don't know, it says not to press and not to rub, but I feel like if I just go gently, it doesn't really pick up anything. So I kinda need to rub my skin. I don't know, you guys. I don't know, I really want to like this because it's so eco-friendly and all, but I mean, I can see it working because it took my foundation off, but it didn't take like properly, like I still have a little bits in here. So kind of feel like I need to rub. I'm still not convinced, guys. You know, I tried before those fiber makeup removing cloths, like a fiber cloths, which you can rewash, and it didn't really work for me, so I don't know. I mean, with foundation, it kind of cleaned off. It's just, I do need to rub. Like I need to go in there, you know what I mean? I think we should try the eyes, because that's gonna be the tricky part. So it says with the eye makeup to press and hold for 5-10 seconds. if it's press and hold and supposed to remove something, it removed nothing. I mean, my eyeshadow is perfectly fine. Okay, so I think I need to rub it then. It's just, I don't know, guys. I'm really disappointed so far. I just thought it's gonna be better. I'm doing my best, you guys. I'm doing my best. I just really don't want to rip any of my lashes off because, as I mentioned, I still have some lash extensions left. I applied a bit of mascara on top because my lash extensions nearly all fell off. So if I would rub anything on, like if I would try to clean my face with a wet wipe and rub, it can stuck and kind of rip off my lashes to go with the lash extensions. But I mean, my makeup holding on strong. I actually have filmed quite a few videos. If you guys wondering about my makeup look today, I reviewed this lipstick, liquid lipstick, and then this eyeshadow palette. If you guys interested, it's all on my channel, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, this is a tough business. I mean, the the cloth looks so far like this with lots of mascara going on, but it's not as easy as I thought it's gonna be. I really want this to work, by the way, guys. Like, I really want this to work because it's so eco-friendly and reusable and recyclable, and there's no chemicals or anything involved, so it's good for your skin. So it looks like it removed all the mascara. It's only my lash extensions that are left. It wasn't irritating my eyes or anything, which is a plus. I didn't really need to rub. I need to really press and hold for a makeup kinda to melt off. Yay, clean my makeup. Look, this side and then this side. I think it worked. I just wonder how it would work with removing glitter, because once the glitter is stuck somewhere and it's super hard to clean the top. So you know what I find a bit tricky? Like, I have makeup in my inner eye corner, so I'm thinking, how do I remove this then, you know? But other than that, it definitely works, and I just used water. Let's try to remove a lipstick. It's gonna be tricky because it's a glitter. Oh, my glitter is everywhere. I would use this for removing my eye makeup and foundation, because actually foundation cleaned off pretty nicely. Like, I'm really surprised. But the lipstick glitter is just everywhere. So for lipstick, I think I would stuck better with a wet wipe or micellar water or something like that. But for everything else, I think, yeah, it works. So thumbs up from me. What do you guys think? Have you tried this actually? Leave a comment down below. Let me know, have you tried this? Or if you tried that fiber cloths, like I mentioned, which didn't work for me whatsoever. I didn't know how to use that, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, if it works for you or no, if you tried it, if you would like to try. I will definitely use it, as I mentioned, because it's reusable, it's eco-friendly, it's good for your skin because only water was used, and look, like, my face is clean. The only thing is glitter is a tricky part, and if you wear glitter you will need to find something else to remove it, because now I have glitter literally everywhere. But this is what happens with glitter. If you ever wear glitter, you'll know exactly what I mean. But for everything else, it cleaned up properly, so thumbs up from me. If you enjoyed watching this quick review video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao for now.